So right now dplyr is not checked. Let's do library dplyr. So dplyr is starting. Now let's do this sample underscore n and it's not my data comma 5. So what it will do is like it will select random rows from a data set. So let me just add a comment over here. Saving your work. Let's hit Control Enter. So it is selecting random data from your data set. Random rows from your data set. Now just see, because this is a part of a dplyr package. If you just check the documentation, hit F1. So you can see sample and this is the part of your dplyr package over here. So table size replace equal to false and all. If you just want to add some extra arguments, suppose I just uncheck your dplyr package. So if I try to do this, see, it won't work because couldn't find function sample underscore n, because sample underscore n belongs to dplyr package, and to work with sample underscore n you have to start dplyr package. Even if you just try to find the documentation over here, let's do help of sample underscore n. Let's see. Here you can see no documentation is available because our library or our package is not yet started. So whenever you work, so make sure you start your libraries. Okay, suppose I just want to select some percentage of rows. You can do that also. You can just do sample underscore frac. It will take some percentage of my data, comma. Let's take 0.2%, means like 20% of the rows. Let's try to get this. Hit Control Enter. Okay, I'm just taking some wrong data over here. So yes, here you can see it is giving me 20 rows over here. So dplyr package is very vast package. You can just go to Google and just type dplyr documentation. You can just go through all the functions in dplyr package. Saving your work. Let's work with some missing values. If you just want to check missing values using a dplyr package, you can also do that. So let's do call sums. So S is capital over here. Call sums is dot na in data. So it is taking the sum of all columns and checking whether there's any NAs or not. So if there is any 1 NA, 2 NA, 3 NA, so you can see it would have been updated over here. Dplyr package is a very good package. Then you can also write this particular same code without this dplyr package, but the function would have been a bit different. So let's try this. Another way to do so is applying the supply function, supply, S-A-P-P-L-Y, supply. Then you put your data, comma, and I'm just creating a function to check whether it is having any NAs or not. The function Z sum is dot NAZ. So let's try to, it will just try to find the sum of is dot na and give you answer in terms of vector. Let's do this. Here also you can see If you wish to see missing values in just a single variable, you can also do that. Sum is dot na. Okay, let's take a variable data dollar e. Let's hit control enter. So you can also go variable by variable.